we're going to start our warm-up. Yeah, people are still arriving, but we'll do a warm-up. So the first thing we do, make sure we're sitting upright, completely upright. And we check that, check your spine, roll your shoulders back a few times. And as you do that, make sure that everything else is still, just the shoulders are moving the other way. So the front, and lift, and open and close the mouth to check the jaw is relaxed. And drop. Sense of opening here in the chest, and we're going to start with taking a breath into our lower rib cage and breathing out with an ah, any sound, any pitch. So let's go. Relaxing here. Next time this note. Add a bit more volume this time. This is the first note of our niggun, and the niggun is a wordless tune. We are going to warm up with the niggun, and I'll show you the screen. It's the one that we've sung before, maybe 2 or 3 times, and my Brighton and Hove people quite know it. If you don't know it, you can just follow the music or maybe follow my hand here. We'll just do it as a warm-up exercise, okay? Because the song today is quite simple. Let's go. Again from the beginning. Section from bar 19, the last 2 lines. Little warm-up. Yeah, You feel a bit inspired, a bit more inspired. Now there is somebody who is trying to come in, and it's just a phone number, 862014. Yeah, and Merlin is asking in the chat if we know who that person is. I guess we admit them and see if they misbehave. If they misbehave, we check them out. We don't know who he is or she. Let's try. Okay. Now, let me switch to gallery view, see your faces. How many of you knew this niggun, this wordless song that we just sang? Come on, my choir people. Jill, you didn't know it? My choir people certainly should. Oh, yeah. Right, so, okay. So now you know it, more or less. We're going straight to our song. It's a wonderful, very simple and very nice tune. And I promised you something simple today, something light, although it has its shadows, this poem and that music. So the first thing we do is we just sing la 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 through the tune, which you don't have in your text, and then we will look at the poem. Yeah, so my choir people, you know it. I hope you don't mind singing something familiar. So yeah, I've told you that before, exactly. So today is a session with familiar tunes. So this tune was composed by Chava Alberstein, an Israeli, modern Israeli singer, composer, Yiddish speaker. I'm just trying to figure out the key. Let's try this. Okay, here is how it goes. And we repeat that phrase. We're learning it by heart. Let's do it 2 more times. Listen. And together. And one. You can go die if you want. When Chava sings it, she sometimes goes up, sometimes she goes down. So die, or die. We're bringing everything together. That's almost it. One more time. And that's it. Right? So sometimes when we sing it in my choirs, we also la 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 through the tune that is played by violin and other instruments on that famous recording on the CD called The Well, Chava Alberstein with the Klezmatics. So you can look them up online. It's listed everywhere. And I didn't want to say it on Facebook because everyone would know what we're singing. Yeah, I've taught that chutzpah a year ago. Yeah, we sang it and we still sing it occasionally. Yeah, so I might teach you that other tune that instruments play. We sing it as a niggun in between the verses. But for now, let's look at our first verse. The poet of that beautiful little poem is Anna Margolin, a wonderful, wonderful female writer from the last century. I've composed a few songs to her poems. Is die Goldene Pave geflogen, and you will have g as a syllable, geflogen, right? Now, text here is not always ta, 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 ta. Yeah, it has sometimes a, the beat, before the beat, there's a syllable, is die Goldene, and there will be some lines when it's a bit varied. So here it's, is die Goldene Pave. Let's go together. 1, 2, let's go. Is die Goldene Pave geflogen, geflogen. And I'll read you the next line. Und die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. And let's go together. Und die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. And here we go, last line. Lichtiger meiner schlaf ein. I think we can do the whole verse now. 1, 2, let's go. Is die goldene Pave geflogen, geflogen. Und die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Lichtiger meiner schlaf ein. Yeah, nice and easy. How many of you know the song? Let me just see. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. I'm taking you back to our text. Second verse. Die Nacht. So here we have one syllable before the beat. So listen and then we say it together. 1, 2, 3, 1. Die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Let's go together. Die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Next line. Now it'll be like this. Bin ich fiddle. Okay? Fiddle is the emphasized word. 1, 2, let's go together. Bin ich fiddle geworden und du der Beugen. See, it's a bit different. So I'll say it one more time. I usually underline these syllables. I just didn't get around to it today. The emphasized ones. Bin ich fiddle and then du der Beugen, right? Let's go this line. 1, 2, let's go. Bin ich fiddle geworden und du, big gap, der Beugen, and then we have a big gap, and now like this. Ruhiger meiner schlaf ein, okay? So ruhiger. One more time. Ruhiger meiner schlaf ein. Okay? Let's translate this. And something is happening in our chat. Let me see, everyone. Haven't person waiting call themselves? Who was that? Do we know the person? If that person is amongst you with the number 86201 whatever, make sure you you give yourself a name next time, yeah? Because we don't know whether we admit people or not, okay? Geöffnet, geöffnet, of course, geöffnet. Now we will translate it, it'll get all clear. We will translate this. So, is die Goldene Pave. The Goldene Pave is the golden peacock. It's a big, as I said in the description, it's a big image with many different ways to interpret that image. Quite an old, quite an ancient image in Yiddish culture and many other cultures. And that golden peacock has flown away, geflogen, flown away. Und die Nacht and the night hat geöffnet, has opened die goldene Augen. It's golden eyes. Interesting, right? Lichtiger meiner, my light one. And light in this case is light. It can be light in terms of lightness, or it can be light in terms of light, you know, dark and light. So lichtiger meiner, my dear, my light one, schlaf ein, go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. And we know that she, we presume, is talking to a man, lichtiger meiner. Right? Second bit of that verse, die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen, which is the same line as the second one. The night has opened its golden eyes. Bin ich Fiddle geworden. I am a fiddle, a violin. And du, and you. Der Beugen is the bow. The bow, right? What do they call it? A bow. Ruhiger is a lovely word. Ruhig is calm. Ruhe is calmness. Ruhiger is somebody who cannot find rest. Restless, right? Minor. My restless one. Schlaf ein, go to sleep. Let's see what it says here in translation. The golden peak has flown off. The night has opened its eyes of gold. Bright one of mine, go to sleep. Or bright in this case, it says. The night has opened its eyes of gold. I was the fiddle and you were the bow. Tense one of mine, go to sleep. Let's do this. The whole verse, and we go. Is the Goldene Pave geflogen, die Fliegen, und sie nach Rücken geöffnet die goldene Augen. Richtiger meine Schlaf ein. Next bit. Die nach abgeöffnet die goldene Augen. Bin ich Fiddle geworden und du der Beugen. Ruhiger meine Schlaf ein. Okay? So I'm kind of singing a variation of what the instruments play in that band when they accompany Havalbestein. You can join me on that, and I'll do that between the verses, okay? Let's look at the next verse. It's pretty simple. It's very enjoyable and very nice and interesting because you can interpret this text in many different ways, and because we will have time today, I'll ask you what you think the text actually means and how it can be sung and interpreted. Now, we are here, bin ich Fiddle, yeah? Bin ich Fiddle geworden und du der Beugen. The same line as we had before. Let's go read it together. 1, 2, in the rhythm. Bin ich Fiddle geworden und du der Beugen. Okay, same line as we had before. Next line. Und das Glück über uns hat verliebt sich gebeugen. Okay, one more time now. It comes now. Und das Glück über uns hat verliebt sich gebeugen. Now it's getting a bit sad. Now the last line. Zärtlicher meiner should be Schlaf ein, should be meiner. Yeah? Zärtlicher meiner Schlaf ein. Let's see what it means. Bin ich Fiddle geworden, we know already. Und das Glück and the luck, the happiness, the luck über uns, over us. Und verliebt sich gebeugen. Let's see how it translates it here. I want to be exact, but I cannot be exact. If you have suggestions, let me see. Verliebt sich gebeugen. I know it's kind of gone away. Enamored and fortune, enamored, bowed down over us. Interesting. Let me see what people are saying. Chat? Anyone saying something? Zärtlich is affectionate. We're not there yet. Can we print music? Yes, on my webpage. Okay, well, nobody is saying how to translate that better, so we won't. Now, fortune. Yeah, I don't know that word enamored. I don't know what it means. I don't know what that. To be honest, now zärtlicher is tender. I would say, yeah. Let's try and sing that. Bin ich Fiddle? Bin ich Fiddle geworden und du der Beugen. next line. Und das Glück über uns hat verlegt sich gebeugen. Gelost uns allein und verflogen, right? One more time. Gelost uns allein und verflogen, okay? Gelost uns allein. Treuriger meiner, schlaf ein. Treuriger is sad. Treuriger comes from Trauer, we have in Russian also. So the last line, and the luck over us has verliebt sich gebeugen, kind of, it's love bent over. How do you say it? How do you translate that? Bowed down over us, yeah, I guess. Kind of went over us and left us alone, and it flew away. Yeah? Sad one of mine, it says here, Treuriger, sad one, schlaf ein, go to sleep. Now let me come back to your faces for a second. How are you getting on with this? Have a think what it means to you. Like fairies over a cradle, yeah, or to think of fate being in love. It's strange, it's poetic, and Anna Margolin had lots of these. I have a song that is like written to a long poem of hers, which is like on 2 pages, mit halb vermachte Augen, with eyes half shut. You can't really say what it means. It's really poetic, and it's really it's very much impressionist. Yeah. So I suggest we sing through that whole second stretch of text, which will become our whole. I can't show you the second half of text. Bin ich fiddle geworden from there, okay, all the way to the end. Bin ich fiddle geworden und oder beugen und das Glück über uns hat verliebt sich gebeugen. Zärtlicher meine, schlaf ein. Und das Glück über uns hat verliebt sich gebeugen. Gelost uns allein und verflogen. Treuriger meine, schlaf ein. Ready to do the whole song. It does say minor every time in Yiddish. I'm sorry, I always make mistakes. There's something in my, I don't know, character. I just for some reason cannot be exact. I make mistakes and I check myself and there are mistakes still. I'm sorry. Just how I am. Please cope with that. Minor. Fortune. We're going to do the whole thing. All the way through. Sit upright. And I will sing a la 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 in the middle. The la 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 is not exactly what's written. The la 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 is kind of, you can improvise over that la la la. It's what instruments play in that particular arrangement. I think it's good when you sing without the instrumentation to have something added to the main melody, which is because the main melody is really simple. Okay, and you'll learn it in no time. Let's go. Is die Goldene Pave geflogen, geflogen, und in der Luft geöffnet die goldene Augen. Wichtiger meine, schlaf ein. Die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Bin ich fiedel geworden und du der Beugen. Ruhiger meine, schlaf ein. Nicken. hat verliebt sich gebeugen, gelost uns allein und verflogen, verflogen. Treuriger meine, schlaf ein, schlaf ein, schlaf ein, schlaf ein, schlaf ein. Okay, let me see. Something is happening. Lots is happening in our chat. Ooh, mix of comfort, compassion, and magic, and nostalgia. It is certainly nostalgic, I agree. Goldene Pave, well, into the Black Sea, through the Black Sea, yeah, over the Black Sea. But then you switched between 3 different languages. Yeah, I know. So, do you want to sing it one more time? And then we have a little chat. I would like to know what it feels to you. How it feels to you, this song, especially from people who haven't heard it before.
Lots more times, please.
Lots more times, yeah, let's go. So we will kind of sing first verse, back to first, second, and back, and I'll just shout which verse we're singing. Now, we're staying in that key. It's relatively a small range, so you can sing the little niggin an octave lower. It's too low, it's too high for you, okay? Now, let's have a Polina, are you switching? Yeah, what's going on here? I hope you were all singing, not just typing in chat. Right. Now, here is our time to see each other a bit. Yeah, I want to see your faces. Who is there? Is there anyone new? I don't know. Anyone new? There are a couple of people. Yeah, Sarah, how do you know about us? Welcome.
I don't know, but the whole world of classes being online this summer, somehow I got pointed towards you.
Oh, great. Okay. Well, welcome. Welcome. Anyone else wants to switch themselves on? Say some. Sarah, by the way, how does it feel? This song? Do you know it? Have you come across it before? Do you know Yiddish songs? Do you sing them?
I had heard this song before because I was listening to Chava Alberstein. Um, I actually just started, I took the YIVO Yiddish intensive this summer,
Yeah.
and so we studied other Anna Margolin poems, and I didn't
Wonderful.
realize that this was hers, and it really fits in the kind of her very specific genre of kind of ambiguous, magical images,
Absolutely.
different things. It's really nice.
Oh, great. Oh, thank you. Now, people who knew this song before as well wants to share anything. I know that we'll certainly have interpretations. How to feel about this text? What does it mean? Yeah, Jill, you need to switch yourself on. I don't have any control now. Zoom has changed it all. You need to switch your microphone on. There's that little microphone sign. You need to click on that.
Better?
Yes, yes, yes. Hello.
Okay, so it struck me that it has a kind of magical romanticism, which reminds me of the paintings of Chagall with Bella.
Oh, great! Isn't it a great image, right?
Mm,
Wonderful, wonderful. Thanks, Jill.
yeah,
Wonderful.
okay.
Like it just really, really, really works, right? Yeah, and for people who never heard that song before, do we have? Yeah, we have a few people who never heard that song before. Say something. How does it feel? Does it feel what? Anything? Right.
Yes, it feels very beautiful, Polina. And it feels like the Golden Peacock can mean so many different things. That's Polysemy, somebody's put in the chat. But it can mean so many things that we might long for, that maybe come for a while and then leave. And yet the last line's got a lullaby quality to it, doesn't it? Asking somebody to sleep, but maybe it's asking one's longing to sleep. I don't know. So
Oh,
it's got so many meanings. I love it.
oh, that's interesting. Thanks, Pat. Somebody's longing to sleep. Oh, possible.
No, putting your own longing to sleep. So if you have a longing that is
Yeah,
needed,
yeah, 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 yeah.
then
Yeah, I
yeah,
see, I see. Wow, interesting. Well, I'm Goldene Pave, the Goldene Pave, that's a symbol that, you find it in many, many different cultures. It can be a messenger. It can be something that takes things and bring things and takes things away. A lot, certainly. Well, in Russian folklore, we have that. And it's usually something mystical, something that you don't expect, something that has magical powers. So let's hope that that golden peacock brings something good to us. And there's certainly a lot of love in this song, right? Do you feel that? There's a lot of love in that song. Right, now we'll just sing and sing and sing until the end of this session. We have 8 minutes to just sing, but we will spend 1 or 2 minutes of this on little things, little announcements. I have no idea whether these sessions will carry on after our 10th. Today is our 6th session, because I'm starting my Workers' Circle choral course. I have no idea how to teach that either, but it's already announced. It's choir online, I don't know. But I know that some of you have joined this. I will be teaching songs in parts to people. We might bring everything together in the end with somebody's help, or some kind of putting audio files together or video, but that's something that will take a lot of my attention. The longer sessions, much more expensive. The Workers' Circles course is quite expensive, but if you want to join that, please do. But I don't know how many people will continue to come to this when that Yiddish course is running, and I don't know how the overlap will work or not work. And with my energy being in several places, I don't know. We usually have more people in the Yiddish sessions here than in Russian sessions. So what I'm asking you to do is to think how often you would like to meet, if you would go to the Yiddish choir sessions or not, have a think what we want to do. Do we want to meet at all, or do we not want to meet after the 7th or whatever, 8th of September? On the 8th of September, we'll have a session with extra social time. It'll be a merge session with Russian and Yiddish, with a song both in Russian and Yiddish, and we'll have an extra half an hour, whatever we want to take, to chat, to share our opinions, to share our complaints, or whatever you want to say, to kvetch a bit. That's the 8th of October.
In October, yes.
The 8th, yeah, thanks, Jackie. So that's it, and people are getting busy and blah, 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 you know. So we need to rethink, we need to, you know, I need to hear you. For now, we're going back to singing. Now, sing your lungs out this time. We will go through this song many times, as we did just now. I might even take you up a tone and down a tone at some point, okay? Ready? Upright, 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 and really sing out. Is die goldene Pave geflogen, und die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Lichte meine Schlaf ein. Die Nacht hat geöffnet die goldene Augen. Bin ich Fiedel geworden und du der Beugen. Ruhiger meiner Schlaf ein. Nigga. short little beautiful tune, something nice and simple today, and I will see you whenever I see you. Keep well, keep positive, keep singing, and please share these sessions online. We have just a few left. Grab them, get lots of people here. Okay? Schlaf ein. Not just yet. Bye everyone. Keep well. Bye. Thank you.